Lo and behold, I'm coming in the crib. Look what's here. Yes, sir. All right, man. So it's the next day. You feel me? If you follow me on Instagram at whipswitwavy, you already know what this is right here, man. You feel me? We've been waiting on this a long time. This is the second build, man, but I wanted to get this one from the first one, man. And if you know what this is on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? You already know. It's not like it's a big performance mod, but it's like it's one of them aesthetic things, bro. Like, cause I know me personally, one of the things that I'ma just tell y'all, man. You know what? Stay right there. All right, man. So we out here. You feel me? See Serena in the cut, looking so good. Feel me? Hold on. Get up on there with that new camera. Yeah, I said. Oh yes, sir. Burn ball's looking good. Tent looking real crazy. But that's not what we here about today. You feel me? Today we working on this. You feel me? We about to get this spoiler up through. There ain't nothing wrong with it. And if you watched the last build, you know that I had this. I had the plastic dip just to go with that OEM look. Cause if you look at the antenna, you see how it's black, but it's not like this black. You know what I'm saying? Like the glossy black. It's like that. I don't really know what type of black to call that, but it looked good, man. So. And then the other reason why I wanted to upgrade, you feel me? So I got the red eye Hellcat spoiler. That's the one that I went ahead and got. You feel me? That's what's in the box. So the main reason I got that, man, is one, beyond it looking really good, it actually shows you like in the back. Okay, hold on. So I'll show y'all real quick. So when you put the car in reverse, you feel me? It shows you a whole different view. So I'm gonna get y'all before and after, you know what I'm saying? So hold on. Let me go up a little bit. Hold on, let these guys drive by. So go up a little bit, but so this the before. You see, you get that grid, but in the camera, like it's cool and all, don't get me wrong. But on the new spoiler, it's gonna show you your actual bumper. Like it's a completely different angle. You know what I'm saying? If you're looking at the cameras, the view on the normal spoiler, it kind of just shoots straight. You know what I'm saying? You really can't see your bumper. But on the new one, it angles down. And if I remember correct, I think it's actually a little wider camera. But we about to get into all of that right now, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just stay right there. Once you get your spoiler and everything, first thing you want to do, you want to take this off. So you take this off, you move these, I think they call them Christmas trees, Christmas tree pins. You just pop those off, and then that's going to get you back there to that cable. And then you got to take these off, these little black things right here. And then that's going to get you to the, I think it's a 10 millimeter bolt that you need to get to. And then the rest is really just, you know what I'm saying, prying it up off of there, you feel me? So it really ain't too much to it. So I'm gonna get y'all the play-by-play, probably voice it over, let y'all know what I'm doing, and we gonna get back. Alright, so you seen in the last clip, once you get these off, because some people say you take this off first, I just went ahead and took these off. That's just me personally. And then you just gotta get this out of here. This is what the Christmas trees look like. This is what's holding your trunk liner up. This part right here. So once you pop all of these out, just around the edges, then you're gonna have full access to your wire. And that's gonna be this part right here. And then you just feed it through this little slit. And now to get it out of the way. So that's all you need, man. Then you'll be able to pry the spoiler off, and then you can go ahead and start putting the new one in. So. So once you get that trunk liner off, I just went ahead and set it in here and put the clips inside there so that you know what I'm saying, don't lose them. Then you can come up under here, and there's this clip. This is the clip right here. This is for your backup camera. So it's a little push pin. come up under there, unplug that boy. Ooh. Fingers too big. And like that, be up out of there. So we want to make sure this is free and out of the way of anything, so that you can get that all the way up out of there when you take the spoiler out. So the next thing you want to do is like 4 pins, and you can get to them through here. I don't have like a needle. If you have needle nose pliers, you could use it. I don't have any needle nose pliers with me, so y'all know how I'm rocking. I'm gonna just have to figure something out. But you just gotta push these little pins, and then you'll be able to get full access to that spoiler, man, and put your new one in. So it was supposed to be a lot easier to get to them clips, man. So I got all of these off, but them 2 middle ones, it was a real hassle for me. And I kind of wish we would have had it on video, man. I literally just muscled it up out of there. I pulled him up out of there, everything went flying over there, but we got it off of there, man. So now, next up, once you get the old spoiler off, you're gonna come over here. You see how it's just all dirty. You still got that old glue on there, so you want to make sure you clear all of that off and get everything up off of there before you know what I'm saying, put that new one on there and make sure to adhere it down. So first thing we're gonna do, get this little gummy stuff up off of here. I was gonna scrape it off, but I'm trying to scrape as little as possible because I just went in. But after you do that, then a lot of people use different stuff like degreasers and things like that. Me personally, I just like using alcohol and water. So we're gonna get the alcohol and water, throw that on here, get it all cleaned off, and then we're gonna put the new one on. Alright, so once you know what I'm saying, get it all cleaned off. Like I said, you can use a degreaser and a lot of different things. Me personally, good old alcohol and water to get you in there. You can see, this is why you don't want to put it on there too tight. You can see the person before me, they put it down really tight and it stripped up a lot of paint. We not tripping about that at all. Cause y'all know I'm gonna get this all the way together, man. We're gonna have a whole paint correction. I'm gonna get all the little touch-up spots taken care of, like the little dings and stuff I was telling y'all about. We can get that all taken care of before we wrap it. And I finally found a company, and they close to the city, that's gonna help me put this wrap together, man. Y'all been asking for it. I got a crazy wrap coming at y'all, man. I'm telling you, legendary. It's gonna be one of the top wraps in the game. I'm telling you, this ain't no shot at nobody, you know what I'm saying? I'm just letting y'all know I done made my own lane and I'm about to start running it, so y'all better stay tuned. Get all that up out of there, cause you don't want none of that there when you push your new one on, man. Make sure it can get a full good bonding experience, full good bond to the new car, you know? So now once we got this all cleaned off, you can go ahead and step over to your new one. So the company that I use, and I won't lie, as far as pricing, this was the best priced out there. East Coast Mustards. I am not sponsored, you know what I'm saying? This is just me showing love because I appreciate how quick and how quality it was, you know what I'm saying? This into with the bubble wrap, all of that. And I ordered this, Saturday I think it was? And today's Tuesday. It's already here, you know what I'm saying? I don't know where it's shit from, I ain't pay attention to all of that, but it's here, man. That's all I care about. So now you got your new spoiler. You go over here, and everything you want to do. Go ahead and check out the stuff on the bottom real quick. So you can peel all that off. You want to start these. So you peel some of your 3M, not all the way, but just enough. So when you sit it down, and I go from both edges if I was you, just so you can pull from either side in case it gets stuck, you know. Got that side down there. Sometimes it's a little difficult getting to that corner. Alright, boom. So now you got this open. You can pull these tabs back. So you want these just stick up on the outside, you know what I'm saying? And then you can go ahead and start lining it up. Alright, so you can see these are the pins that I was just battling. So it's 4 of them. You got 2 close in, right here, right under the eye where the camera is. and then you got 2 closer out to the sides. So you remember those 10 millimeters from earlier? You just want to line those up, and you got this middle, it's not a screw, it's like a bar. You got this, so you line that up with the middle part of your trunk. And before you start going, man, go ahead and just, you know what I'm saying, feed this all the way through so that you got somewhere you can catch it. And then these square pads, we can go ahead and remove these all the way off, because you're not really worried about these ones too much. So once you get them set in there, you'll be good to go. Alright, so we got everything where we want it. I'm gonna lift the trunk up a little bit, make this a little easier on myself. Make sure this is all the way in there. You don't have no issues trying to come back and find that. Okay, so looks like we are straight. Alright, so now it looks like everything is right where we want it to be. So close the trunk. Lift up. So now, got your new spoiler all in. Well, at least it's on. You still got it connected. But I don't know about y'all, man. I love it. That looks so much better than like this little teardrop right here. This compared to this, it's night and day, man. Like this is cool, but that's better. So now, what you want to do is, remember how I said you're going to leave yourself some slack? So that you can get through and get back to that wire, because you're going to need to connect that so that your camera working. So, where we get it at? Right here. Okay. And look, mine just luckily enough came right through the middle where we needed it to go. And you just plug it in, man, and then you'll know it's plugged in as soon as you hear that satisfying sound, you know. Listen, come in here. As soon as you hear, you're in there, man. So now we got everything on there like how we need to. You just do everything in reverse. So you put your 10 millimeters back on, and you put these caps over them. You feel me? That's going to tighten this down, and there's no torque specs for it. You don't want to put it down too tight, but you just want to make sure you get them on there. So I usually, anytime I screw anything on, I always kind of put it on with my fingers first. Cause you don't want to, you know what I'm saying, strip them threads. So get that one going. Throw this one on. And then, I don't want to bore y'all with the semantics. Once we get that on there, that's your 10 millimeter. Then you just put your trunk liner back in, push the pins in, and then you be good to go, man. Like I said, quick, easy, painless install. It wouldn't, I say maybe take a couple minutes, man. It really wasn't too long. The reason why it took me so long is because I didn't have my pliers. The pliers weren't big enough, so I had to kind of figure out a way to get to those pins that are in the middle, because it's like a groove in here. It's kind of hard. If you got bigger hands, it's hard to get through there. So definitely get you some pliers that are good for the job. These, they kind of got it done for me, but not really, because like I said, I just had to muscle it up off of there. So I'm about to go ahead and button this back up, and I'm gonna get y'all before and after on how the camera looks. So y'all stay right there. Alright. So now we got that new thing up on in there, man. You feel me? We're gonna go ahead and see how that new backup camera is working for us. You feel me? make sure everything working, you feel me? Yeah, a lot of y'all been asking about these lights, man. I'm still waiting to hear back. So once I get that email back from them saying it's cool, I got you. I'm gonna let y'all know where them came from. But all right, let's see. Yes, sir. And you see how you can see the bumper now? The clarity on here is so much. So you see in that rear view now, man, you can see the actual bumper now. So me personally, like, I don't have the rear parking sensor. So the fact that it actually shows me the bumper now, that's a big W for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, and it's not like I back into stuff anyways. I usually park kind of far away, but this is gonna kind of eliminate that. You know what I'm saying? Help me get my parking together, or not even. But this is gonna kind of eliminate that. You know what I'm saying? So you can see here, bro. Like, you see the bumper right there. That's not black from the screen. That's just the actual bumper of the car. So if you're like how I am, and you don't actually have the parking sensors, this is a great upgrade to do, man. This is a great mod, and I won't lie, I feel like the camera shows you a lot more on this, man, and the clarity is a little better. I ain't gonna say it's 4K or anything like that, but the clarity is a lot better. So like I said, man, another quick, easy, painless install. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, man, definitely follow me on Instagram. I got to say, if you saw my story last night, you already know what happened, man. Big shout out to Vicrez, baby. You feel me? I'm officially a part of the team. Thank you to everybody who went out and voted, man. We about to have that wide body again, man. We back on road. You know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all, everything happens for a reason. Like, if you've been following, you know that I went into that Vicrez battle a couple months ago. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not gonna say that I forgot about it, but just with so much going on, you know what I'm saying, in my life, the accident and just everything that was happening with me, man, like I kind of forgot, you know what I'm saying, like it just wasn't at the front of my mind. And then just to get that message, you know what I'm saying, and even like you guys know, like I just went through losing my job and everything, man, like, and then to find out that I won, you know what I'm saying, like, and it's not even like, or first of all, I'm not the only one that won. All of the other contestants, it was me and 6 other people, man. Congratulations to all the rest of the new Vicrez family, you feel me? I am honored to be a part of the family, you feel me? Thank you so much, and we gonna definitely push this to the next level, man. Y'all know how we rocking over here. It's built, not bought, baby, and we got another crazy build on the way, so y'all just gonna have to stay tuned. But like I said, man, earlier in the video, we do got a rap company now. Finally, baby, we finally found one, and I don't think it's gonna be too crazy for me to get done. I might be able to get it done before the season break. So y'all just gonna have to stay tuned and rock with me. Hit that bell, you feel me? Because last time we put up the video, and in the first couple seconds of it being up, people was already liking and stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate y'all so much for showing that support. Because like I said, it go a long way. I finally got the new camera. And you see, man, we taking this whole thing in stride, man. I'm trying to level up every time I do something, not just on the car, on the photography, myself, man. Just every day, just daily improvements. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, we officially got our first sponsor, baby. And this weekend coming up, we got Midwest Fest. So that's gonna officially mark my 1 year. You know what I'm saying? My full 1 year of really being in this stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, really trying to go out and meet up with other YouTubers and stuff like that, man. Like, it's crazy, man. I just feel like we done grown a lot, you know what I'm saying, but we still got a long way to go, you know what I mean? So I appreciate everybody for staying, rocking with the kid, and watching the evolution, you feel me? But we still going up. So y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, you know what I mean, and show love. I'm out here really trying for y'all, man. So the more support y'all show, the more I can do, you feel me? So until next time, y'all stay smooth.